In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can recover deleted messages on your Messenger. Recovering deleted messages on Messenger is crucial for retrieving important information, evidence in legal matters, preserving sentimental conversations, maintaining business communication records, and resolving misunderstandings effectively. On your Facebook settings and privacy page, scroll down into the section of your information. Then select on the option of Download your information. Tap on Continue and you will proceed to this page. Tap on Download or Transfer information. Your data will get sent to you via your email you used to register your account. When you download your info, in the section of Messages, you will see deleted messages. You can go ahead and recover them if you wish to. That's how easy it is to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.